Hello, I am Ana Guerrero, the creator and developer of the Neuro-Rocking Release Therapy, and I am here to tell you a little bit more about it. Neuro-Rocking Release Therapy, or NRRT, is a form of clothes-on, oil-free, gentle body work consisting of inducing a rocking motion to the receiver's body that causes bilateral brain stimulation, which resets the central nervous system, triggers a parasympathetic nervous system response, and deactivates the sympathetic nervous system overload, bringing a long-lasting, deep sense of calm and well-being. You may have heard of EMDR, which uses bilateral brain stimulation, and it was developed to help PTSD patients. Along the course of a neuro-rocking release therapy session, we also work on the cervical spine to improve the tone of the vagus nerve. The NRRT is inspired by years of clinical experience and observation, modern neuroscience, medically applied neuro-linguistic programming, Gestalt psychotherapy, and ancient Japanese and Indian bodywork techniques known to soothe the nervous system and improve cognitive function and spinal realignment, among other benefits. Neuro-rocking release therapy helps reduce chronic pain, fluid retention, inner dissonance, anxiety, depression, autism symptoms, emotional stuckness, stress, hypo and hypersensitivity, PTSD, dissociation, panic disorder, and it also helps stroke patients. It lowers blood pressure, it improves sleep quality, and it promotes digestion. Here are some of the comments from our patients. I have been struggling with right side pain in my upper and lower legs since having a stroke in 2022. I also struggle with insomnia and bouts of low mood. After 3 NRT sessions, I have taken up swimming, which I felt unable to do prior to the therapy. I feel more confident that with active movement I can recover further from the stroke. Another patient said, I saw my mood and anxieties lift, almost as if the things that overwhelmed me before suddenly felt more manageable. Another patient said, after 3 NRT sessions, I have changed a lot in my energy and perception of reality. So far, I am very positively charged. To put it simply, I am happier and more self-confident. I know that there is still a lot of work to do, but I am happy to do it. Another patient said, my concentration improved after receiving NRRT. Reading, listening, watching things that normally wouldn't inspire me were a lot easier to engage with and maintain focus, even though they were still relatively boring for me. Another one said, after just 20 minutes of NRT, I felt lighter in myself. That weekend, I slept through every night and fell asleep within 10 minutes of getting into bed. Another patient said, after the leg rocking, there is a rush that spreads from my toes all the way up my body. It's a really calming and pleasant wave-like feeling and feels like all my anxiety and negative thoughts just wash out of my body. And another patient said, I find that whenever I have therapy to deal with childhood trauma, I cry and cry non-stop, and I feel like something wants to come out, but it doesn't quite release. But with the NRRT, my emotions wash away as they come up. No longer do they hold me hostage for the whole session. It is as if they get processed right there and then, similar to EMDR. Now, if you would like to receive the technique, you can view our national directory of certified professional neuro-rocking release therapy practitioners. We have practitioners in York, Manchester, Cheshire, and North Wales so far, and we are still training more therapists. And if you would like to become a certified neuro-rocking release therapy practitioner, we would love to hear from you. Do get in touch. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I hope to hear from you soon. I hope this helped, and just wish you all the best. Be well.